The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, in collaboration with the Monolith Coordination Committee, announced on the 9th of February 2024 that this year's Monolith Festival would stand out from previous editions. During a press briefing today, the Deputy Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Panchngai NSAIM, shared that the heritage village in Mauplang has undergone significant enhancements. In addition to regular participants, representatives from the Garo and Jaintia Hills have been invited to showcase their traditional products and cuisine at the festival.
Dalam festive season, festive season, cenderung ke Shillong ba ngimdan dagoi part option. Nama lagi siya namun ban launch ini festival by 2023, maybe October, November, December or so. Cenderung hadin baga ya kenang baga tourism department baga Meghalaya Age Limited yung aming hapan bahay gini traditional hall yang hapan bahay gini ke station ni hadin bang ayah Imali in hapan kerja siya sinema jar pasal dapo jar pasal kamri basuk ban haban alot so katentani event manager ban hapan snack stall hantai ban profession ka bansa president bagin hapan snack ban receive ya president hantai mau pulang te kemudian imban sing ya hapan ra hagani kan tadi ndai ka jimut ni ka council pelong clear bala kumno by October tadi ban dan festival te ngimnang batai marba kani menta ka sulong bangi continue no apply intention ini ngim tiba ya se ka fourth edition jong kamne festival honu bunai kan long la se ngin hapai ka banong kon binian se ba
terima kasih kita sempat
menta nomor ba kubara ong itu ba yunton ke budget ke bahaya ini kamta mas penek dan tourism impala alaunya baru gima bagian don tersebut restoring impact kasih orang space kita tuh lagi space nang don saya nak ban sekian ke 4th edition 5th edition nak ban bunju show ini
Kamu bisa select
ini bisa baru lupa ke sulung pengisim so kita hima kita kam ada saya kita kam he kita kam don bun kita yang nong ye badan bahagian dia julung tenrai di jongki badan ke syak ka tetang ni supaya kita nak hima kita kan dia kata taruh kita hima kita long willing bangun sekamat kita hima kita empat long willing bangun sekamat nyaman tu.
The member of the Monolith Coordination Committee, Alan West, added that the Monolith Festival 2024 will include participation from newly established regions or provinces under the KHADC's jurisdiction.
Ngatrayam day at ang nadaw yung event na tulas ni kakalsiyo yung ikat ka ba itanan. Long kasulang mangi display ito, nre hangi ka dyan nre kasi nadapi ang hiya kakasyat, nadapi ang kaput karway katem, tani hakariam nilang perius pa. Disisin ba display, ibre bila iklaya mat pa. Di nakatadaw maong i ba pansakan niya this council kawan ra ikan event bro wasisin sistem kadi banyo ban display ka jing internet yung ka kalsial yung kajat ndre di ha uni usnem ma pikili hintan arajar arpusaw ikan edition bawta nyale hiban penfer di ka arjar khat ndre ro kadi bangla sai maksimum panwan ra ikan jing internet ikan jing ruspa jing nginum la badle palat itu ka arjar khat ndre tang baki jing hla gindan nomor ba fi idon sunfly lagi sunfusau lagi mamo ti hakatu ka arja kan ring idang la dang pembakat lain ne khatsau ting atrai hakan kasin nakalyang ikong dabi bapet ya kijing syak tunrai ngila ya tai ngila ya kren baban wanra syuk sa kiwe ni bakampat diolat man ya simunta hakat di arti arja lai pat kan ring di da village sari boy la da village sa lingam la da village tinlap ba desmon ngatrai in kubur hay katamu ba kakalsir long spa siya nani sariwar mo dan la kajong di nakakadaw ha ni ka edition mamtang in pusyang manonra ya kijing siya ibaklem 4 represent ha kiti ar edition music do kajo hi karway kaput katem ru kidon ki bangin hapritin na matudak na kajing tawnam joti tambah kidon ru ki bangin wanra masyu di hal yang kabam kapam atrengin ngila kam keduna gidukan ta nomor ba space kala he bahante arja kan riu ngila kambur gidukan wala kataru biang hitang balong ngi peduna hay ta irukom bagi nong sementar kinya hun mesin ti hakaliang kabam ru Sedon ke jing ruspa ke bagi beri banuan hang tu kini mujab ha.
In efforts to promote the Monolith Festival 2024, the Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Council, Penchangan NSAIM, unveiled the festival's theme song and media campaign vehicle. This initiative aims to raise awareness and encourage attendance at the 3-day cultural extravaganza scheduled from the 22nd to the 24th of February 2024 at the Heritage Village at Mauplang.